This is OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today we would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So as we all know, unfortunately, it is not possible to get the Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store. Thus, if you would like to get this game, simply open any search engine that you'd like. At the search bar or typing bar, enter the Fortnite APK. Among the search results, you want to head straight for the official EpicGames.com website. At this very, download page, go for the download the app from Epic Games hyperlink. Confirm the installation process. Download anyway, or should I say download process. Next, we can actually install the Epic Games launcher, but prior to us actually being able to, it is required that we usually, in most cases, allow the app, the browser, the search engine to install other apps from unknown sources. In my case, this permission is granted by default, so it did not ask me to do that. So now I can simply launch the Epic Games. In here, tap on this black Get button and download the Fortnite. Alrighty, so here we have the dialog window that asks us to give the permission that I mentioned earlier to the Epic Games launcher, which we'll do just now. We'll turn this toggle on, get back, and confirm the installation of Fortnite. Alrighty, now all that it's left to do is to launch the game itself, and basically the only thing that is left that actually separates you from being able to play it is the fact that it has to download all required resources, updates, files, and what's not. So once everything that it needs gets successfully downloaded, you will be able to start playing the game itself. Alrighty, so that will be pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.